litter box, the new one that they sent me, and it actually is pretty heavy, and I like that it had the sticker on it. So just make sure that you have some help bringing it into the house because it is a little bit heavier. So here is everything that came in the package. They actually gave you a nice little bag, which I thought was a really cute touch. So this is a bag, tells you about the company, thought it was cool. And then you also have, so here's gonna be your power cable. And again, I love that they included some different ones. So just say that you are in a different country, you might have to use some of these different universal plugs instead of just the United States one. So I thought that was also a really good touch. You have some deodorizers as well, which you're gonna put right here when you're setting up the box, just to make sure that it's gonna help with the odor in the box. But I really like that you get this like quick start guide. I thought that was really cool. And then you also get this that kind of walks you through setting it up. And then you have a QR code just in case you wanted to go ahead and load that and see what comes up and kind of gives you some help in setting it up. So I thought that was really, really thoughtful. Just wanted to say I am using the QR code video and it is really, really good. It walks you through step by step. So I recommend to use that. But here is the little trash bag. And the way that it works is you want to take the cover off the top and then you can see here that this is where this goes. So I'm just going to simply pop this in here, make sure that it's secure, that looks good, and then we're just gonna go ahead and close that, and that is done. There is this deodorizing disc, which I thought was really cool. So you just pop it off the side in there, and you get 3 of them, which I thought was a really nice touch. So you can see here it is, and it smells really, really good. So I think that's gonna work great. So I'm just gonna pop this back on and put it back, and we are good to go. It is nice and fresh. Once you're done with that, you can see here that I have the plug plugged in, and there it is there. And then it's showing preparing on the litter box. And you can see that it is rotating it there. So it looks like this process is 15 seconds and it's just making sure that everything is good inside. Here is the paling panel and that was very easy to install and keep in place. Again, you just want to follow that QR code that is available on the instructions and there's a video that just walks you through everything and it is awesome. When you're ready to put the mat down, I like that it has these stickies so it will actually help you make sure that it'll stay in place nicely. So you just want to remove the backing on these and then just stick it in place exactly where you want it to be. And you want to make sure that when you have this, you don't have it underneath the legs of the litter box. Just push it a little bit back. But yeah, you don't want it to be under the legs. So this will be great, again, for your cat to shake off any excess litter when they're done using the litter box. You want to add clumping cat litters. You can see that I have it in there up until the min line, and you can go to the max line as well. You have the max line on there. So anytime you want to add litter, you want to go ahead and just reset the box. So I'm going to go ahead and do it here to reset. Okay. And then it's going to go ahead and reset it. And what that does is just make sure that it levels it out so that it's ready for use.